GoHighLevel just dropped the new AI Agent Studio update, and I'm telling you guys right now, this may be one of their most powerful updates yet to date. And in this video, I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step tutorial of this new Agent Studio, how to set it up, how it works, so you can absolutely crush this even as a beginner. Let's jump right in. So to set up your AI Agent Studio, you got to come right back and you got to go right to settings and you got to go all the way down to labs right here. Now you can search for it or you can just scroll right on down to AI Studio and toggle this on. Once you toggle it on, you will see it appears right here as AI Studio, and it should say beta. So once you see this, you're just going to click this, and then you will be brought to a page that looks just like this. So I'm super excited to show you guys this. Remember, questions, anytime during this video, drop in the comments and I will answer personally because this is a game changer. Like, this is insane. You're about to see, this is like full out vibe coding. And one of the reasons why I created a video so fast on this is everyone else's videos I saw were like super lackluster. They just kind of talked about it. They didn't show you. I'm going to show you how to use this, what all these tabs mean. I mean, everything. I'm just going to show you the power of this. So essentially what this is it's a vibe coder. So if you're familiar with vibe coding, this is it. You basically tell it what to do and it does it for you. So it's like a command center. It's very similar to Ask AI, but that's more of like a CRM feature. This is for like building stuff. So as you see right here under templates, and we'll go over this a little more later, you have basic templates to build landing pages, like websites, dashboards, e-commerce, weather apps, calendar scheduling, fitness tracker. Like it creates stuff for you. It's a coder. So watch this. Let's just run into a test right now because your time is precious. So I'm just going to say this. Please build me, always remember to say please build me an e-commerce store shampoo that has smart forms and products created. The brand is called Declan's Amazing Shampoo. And then we're going to click enter and it's going to do the work for us. As you see right here, it's going through and generating everything. It's even generating SEO and metadata, products, UI, homepages. I mean, it literally is building everything. This is the future. It's called a command center where you talk to AI and it does the work for you. You can get way more done and it's going to change the game for everybody. Boom. Look at this. Look how insane this is. I mean, these are like awesome photos. Okay. You have freaking forms set up. You have a whole footer. I mean, privacy policy terms, like all of this stuff is done. It is like next level powerful. I'm gonna click shop now. Okay, it doesn't do anything yet. We just have to keep adding stuff. But see, we can connect it to a CRM, so we can connect it to GoHighLevel, so we have all of it in one. And we have this entire thing built out. You can come here and look at all of the code. Look at this. Created all of this. I mean, it's insane. Look how good this is. So we just said this. I mean, this is all I said. Please build me an e-commerce store with shampoo, smart forms. I basically added all this stuff and it created. So not just the website, but the forms, the products. Like, this is super crazy. Now, what we could do is we can go a step further. We can keep asking it stuff. So we could be like, yeah, you see right down here, you see add a shopping cart, draw, create individual product detail pages. Let's do this one first. Add a customer reviews section. Let's see what it does. Because here at this point, all we have to do is just talk to this and it does the work for us. And as you saw, this is a good website and I barely put any prompt in there. I said barely anything and it created this whole thing from scratch and it looks clean. This looks like a solid website. This doesn't just look like something that they got slapped together with a template. This looks like a legit world-class website. And all I typed in was this. So now all we have to do is use the command center as the command prompt and start asking it to do stuff to change this out so AI can do all of the heavy lifting for us. Boom, look at that, added 5 customer reviews. Let's go down. Look at that. Okay, now we want actual reviews. I don't know what these are. This just seemed to pump these out, so please use real reviews. Don't be making shit up. But look at this. I mean, it looks clean. It looks good. It's not like a random inserted, a pre-made template into the website. It like already matches the style. It's so smart. So we can just keep going and ask it to do all kinds of stuff. So basically, how you do this and this whole process just works by asking it things in here and telling it what to do. As you see here, you can ask it some of this stuff. You have it create multiple pages and it can do all the work for you. So you have that over there. You can also talk to it. So that's all right there. Then up here, you'll see obviously we can preview it and then see the code just like that. Right over here, this is just going to be the sidebar on or off. This is going to be the history. And then if you want to publish and have this thing go live, we just click publish. So I'll show you. We click publish. And then there, it's going to show the exact kind of domain publish, and then we can connect it to the CRM side of things. And then from there, we have the entire website all plugged in. So again, when you want to make your vibe code product live, you're going to click publish. So I just want to let you guys know too, is that I have a bunch of videos already queued up coming out on this. So stay tuned on my channel because I'm going to be showing you everything. Okay, everything. Because what you can also do is you can clone other people's websites in here, which little teaser, that's going to be a really sneaky business model coming in the future, which I have a video coming out on, so stay tuned because no one else is going to be doing this. But of course, the wizard is ahead of the game. You're going to see it is going to blow you away. But there's so many different things you can do. So all you have to do is keep asking it and have it do everything, and it does it for you. So let's try one more thing. Let's say, please change the colors to white, gold, and black. So we're going to enter that, and we're going to now have it change all the colors to make it follow that color scheme. Again, I didn't even spell it right. Let's see if it gets it. Boom, look at that. Now we have that gold kind of coloring and all that stuff. This is amazing. And you see how powerful this is? Like, it can legit do anything. You can keep going. I mean, I can ask this to literally do anything, okay? Anything. Like, I'll just show you. Make entire website into, we'll do French instead of English. Like, I'm just gonna show you this. Like, watch this. Boom! Look at this. It's all in French now. I'm not gonna try to pronounce this, but look at this. I mean, do you see how insane this is? Like, you just tell it what to do and it can do anything. Again, I have more videos coming out on this to the power of this, but it is insane. Now, why this is so much more powerful than the other AI website builder and really any of these other vibe coders is, and again, I'm going to show you just in a second all the other things we can do with this. It's not just websites. It's so much more. But the fact that this legitimately doesn't just build a clean website. It can build forms. It can put in surveys. It can do SEO. Like, it's everything. It's not just like one little like UI of a website. It's everything. So again, we can just keep going with this, but you understand this whole dashboard. Now let's go out and check out the other dashboard because this is where you build other apps and projects. And as this is a wizard tutorial, I have to show you everything. I also want to let you know, if you are interested in learning more about this and learning from me, I've got the 30-day free trial down below. Again, 30 days. We have more bonuses than everyone. Just click the link and check it out. Again, you'll get help from me and everyone else and snapshots. So that is right down below if you're interested. Okay, let's walk through this dashboard. So first off, we have projects. This is just going to be where all of your projects are. As you see, recents. I click this. It is the shampoo store. Very simple. Everything on the left-hand side is just going to be your projects and everything that you have done. It's going to pop up right there, and all you have to do is click it in order to get it. Now, if you want to star stuff, if we click star, you see it's starred, and then we click starred, and it's going to pop on better starred. Obviously, all projects is all projects, but to unstar stuff, you just do that. But that essentially is just a way to categorize. So that's on the left-hand side. That's all that is. Then down here, you're going to see recently viewed. This is all of your projects that you recently viewed. Trust me, when you start building, there'll be a lot of them. My projects, this is just going to be all the projects you have because you can see other people's. Starred, this is going to be all the starred, which are the ones you said important. And then templates. So this one is really important because these are the templates of what you're doing. So they have a lot of different things you can do here. So first, you have a landing page. So you can create landing pages and websites through the Vibe Coder, which is right here. Now, by the way, to access any of these, you pick one and you just click it. And what's going to happen is it's going to open up and it's going to start immediately generating. And it's going to be about that exact thing. So like a landing page. We don't want that though, but as you see, it's popping up right here. But there's a lot of different things you can do. So you have landing pages you can build, which is websites. So you have a dashboard. So if you want to build custom dashboards, you have e-commerce stores. So that's the products and all that other stuff. You have portfolio if you want to have like something for real estate or show all of your products or something like that. You then have blog and CMS, again, if you want to do stuff with blogging and all that other stuff. You have task manager, so this is stuff more like Monday.com, which is really cool. Like, you guys can literally have your own little app that's like, then Jerry needs to do this, Mary needs to do that, and it basically shows them what to do. So again, we're starting to get into applications. This isn't just GoHighLevel, this is vibe coding. Okay, then we have chat applications if you want to do some conversational stuff. Restaurant food ordering, that's if you want to have like CRM type thing. By the way, guys, what's so powerful about this is it's connecting into HighLevel. And HighLevel is a super powerful CRM with a really good infrastructure. So you're marrying vibe coding with a CRM. See, what the problem with a lot of these other people online that are like, vibe code with this tool, is it's just a vibe coder. At the end of the day, it's not sustainable because it doesn't have the infrastructure built out. You have to have the infrastructure, data, like there's stuff behind this. Pixels, it takes power, okay, electricity, water. So HighLevel has that already built out. So when they're doing something like this, it's being stacked atop a foundation of stone and not sand. That is why this is so powerful. Okay, then we have fitness trackers. If you want to build something out for fitness, you can do that. Social media feed is if you want to create a whole thing with social media. Calendars, building that out. Weather apps. I mean, you're starting to say you can kind of do whatever you want. You can create an app with this. See what I'm saying? Like, it's vibe coding. Like, you can click in and create this. So if we come in here, we're going to do the weather app. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. We click the weather app. We're like, oh, this is really cool. And it's basically going to go through and start generating us a weather app. So let me show you what this is like. And like, look at this. This is insane. SEO, open METEO API services, build weather components. It's like connecting to a whole different thing. This isn't just a website. This is like legit creating something that's connected to the weather. Like, insane how powerful this thing is. What the? Look at this. This is, what even is this thing? I mean, this is insane. Okay, call it Declan's weather. So, I mean, like, this is like an app. Like, this is not just a website. This is like an app that's connected to the weather. Like, you see how powerful this thing is? Like, this is vibe coding, dude. And you can literally, like, it's just insane. Like, the amount of stuff we can do. Now, really important, and this is like the really, really, really key detail, is the hard part about this, again, now that the tools are this powerful, is going to be selling it. That's always going to be the hard part. And people always focus on how cool these tools are, but they don't focus on making money with it. Again, that's another reason you should join my community, which is free, because it has the tools and the trainings and the people to show you how to get clients, which is the most important and hardest part. But this is insane. Look at that, Declan's weather. So that's pretty much how powerful this thing is. Again, publish, you go through the whole process and you get it dialed in. But that's what this is. It is that powerful. Again, you know how to use these, you know how to use this. I have a ton more videos coming on this, in depth, where I go really in depth to websites, really in depth to vibe coding. This is just a tutorial so you understand how to use this, because all the other videos don't really show you what to do. So I'm telling you guys right now, this is the future. This is absolutely insane, and this will be a game changer for agencies, an absolute game changer. Now, I will be linking it at the end of this video. That's going to be the Ask AI feature, which is this right here. Now, this is similar. This is very, very similar. This is with the CRM, though. The other one is a vibe coder. This is CRM. They're very similar. They're prompts where you ask AI to do something, and it does it for you. So that video is going to be linked at the end of this video. But before I pull that video up, I just want to let you know, if you do want to learn how to sell this and you want help from me with all of high-level things, I recommend you sign up for that 30-day free trial down below. Or if you're fully upgraded or you haven't upgraded, check that out. I have another link down below. So when you sign up with that, you get access to my entire private community, all of my trainings, all of my resources. I have client-getting systems, okay, snapshots, sales scripts, AI prompts, like the works. No one has more than what I do. You can also message me up here in the right-hand corner whenever you want. But more importantly, we have up to 7 live coaching calls that you can attend for free every single week, even ones with me. Okay, you're saying free. Like, guys, there is nothing like this out there. Again, if you don't believe me, click the link down below and see the testimonials. We do it differently than everyone else because we really care. I am treating this like an actual business, not just sign up with my link, see ya. It's sign up with my link. Now let's give you the hand-holding you deserve. That's how this works. And we have the perfect blend of people. Whether you are a complete beginner, you'll get all the hand-holding and all the support you need, or you are advanced and trying to scale. We have a ton of killers in here that have scaled their agencies very high. And guess what? You can get help from them. So you're getting the perfect blend, whether you are a beginner or not, to scale. So I recommend you check this thing out, guys. I think you're going to love it. It's right down below the 30-day free trial. If you haven't upgraded, upgrade using that link. And if you already have been fully upgraded and you have all that, go down below and click the other link, because it's going to show you how to get in, okay, without using HighLevel. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Questions, drop them down below. I'll answer. And make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one, because this is going to make your AI arsenal that much more powerful. So thanks for watching, and watch the video that pops up right now.